If you consider yourself a true pizza lover, then you absolutely need to hear this. Whether you're a lifelong fan of gooey cheese and crispy crust or just someone who can't resist the smell of a fresh pie, this is your moment. Today we're diving deep into the world of homemade pepperoni pizza, and trust me, you're about to unlock a whole new level of pizza perfection. Imagine the satisfaction of pulling a bubbling golden pizza out of your own oven, the aroma filling your kitchen, and that first bite, pure bliss. So get ready, because we're about to master the art of pepperoni pizza together. We're not just making any pizza, we're crafting the ultimate homemade pepperoni pizza, right in your own kitchen. Forget delivery, forget frozen pies. This is about creating something truly special, with your own hands from start to finish. You'll be amazed at how easy and rewarding it is to make a pizza that rivals your favorite pizzeria's best. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the foundation of every great pizza, the dough. The dough is where it all begins, and it's what gives your pizza that irresistible chew and perfect crisp. Don't rush this step, treat your dough with love, and it'll reward you with a crust that's both tender and sturdy enough to hold all your delicious toppings. Now, you have options here. You can absolutely buy pre-made dough from the store, which is a great shortcut if you're short on time or just want to keep things simple. But if you're feeling adventurous, why not try making your own dough from scratch? It's easier than you think, and the flavor and texture are totally worth the extra effort. All you need is flour, water, yeast, a pinch of sugar, a little salt, and a splash of olive oil. Mix it up, let it rise, and you'll have a dough that's soft, stretchy, and full of flavor. Once your dough is ready, it's time to shape it. Dust your counter with a bit of flour and start rolling or stretching your dough into a nice even circle. Don't stress if it's not perfectly round. Pizza is all about personality. Whether it's a perfect circle or a quirky rustic shape, it's going to taste amazing. The key is to get it to about a 1/4 inch thick so it cooks evenly and gets that perfect balance of crispy and chewy. Next up, it's time to sauce it up. Grab your favorite pizza sauce, store-bought or homemade, it's up to you. If you want to make your own, just simmer some crushed tomatoes with garlic, olive oil, a pinch of sugar, and Italian herbs. Spread a generous layer of sauce all over your dough, leaving a little border around the edge for that classic pizza crust. The sauce is what brings all the flavors together, so don't be shy. Be generous with your sauce. No one likes a dry pizza. Make sure every bite is packed with that tangy, herby goodness. Use the back of a spoon to spread it evenly, swirling it right up to the edges. This is your canvas, so make it beautiful. Now comes the part everyone looks forward to, the cheese. There's just something magical about watching a mountain of mozzarella melt into gooey, stretchy perfection. Cheese is what makes pizza, well, pizza. It's the glue that holds everything together and the reason we all reach for that extra slice. Don't hold back. Pile on that mozzarella like it's going out of style. If you want to get fancy, mix in some provolone or a sprinkle of parmesan for extra flavor. The more cheese the merrier. Make sure you cover every inch of sauce so you get that perfect cheese pull with every bite. Seriously, don't skimp on the cheese. A generous layer of mozzarella means a pizza that's rich, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. If you love that golden, bubbly top, add a little extra cheese right before baking. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Remember, more cheese equals more happiness. It's a scientific fact, okay, maybe not, but it sure feels true when you take that first bite. So go ahead, be generous. Now it's time for the star of the show, pepperoni. Those spicy, savory slices are what take this pizza from good to unforgettable. Pepperoni brings the heat, the flavor, and that classic pizza shop vibe right into your home. Layer those pepperoni slices all over your pizza. Don't just toss them on. Take a moment to arrange them so every bite gets a perfect balance of cheese and pepperoni. If you love a little extra spice, try using spicy pepperoni, or even adding a sprinkle of crushed red pepper flakes. Cover every inch if you must. There's no such thing as too much pepperoni. The more you add, the crispier and more flavorful your pizza will be. And if you want those iconic pepperoni cups with crispy edges, use the thicker, deli-style slices. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to a blazing 475 degrees Celsius. If you have a pizza stone or steel, now's the time to use it. It'll give you that perfect pizzeria-style crust. Carefully transfer your pizza onto a baking tray or stone and slide it into the oven. Let your pizza bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on it. The cheese should be melted and bubbling, the pepperoni sizzling, and the crust turning a beautiful golden brown. If you like your pepperoni extra crispy, leave it in for another minute or two. As your pizza bakes, your kitchen will be filled with the most incredible aroma, cheesy, spicy, and utterly mouth-watering. This is the moment when everyone in the house starts wandering into the kitchen, asking when it'll be ready. When your pizza is golden and bubbly, take it out of the oven and let it cool for just a minute. Then, grab your sharpest pizza cutter and slice it up. Listen to that satisfying crunch as you cut through the crust, and watch the cheese stretch with every slice. Now comes the best part. Dig in. Take a big bite and savor the combination of crispy crust, gooey cheese, spicy pepperoni, and tangy sauce. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. This is pizza at its absolute best, and you made it yourself. So what are you waiting for? Gather your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and get cooking. Making homemade pepperoni pizza is not just about the food, it's about the experience, the fun, and the memories you create along the way. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just yourself, this is a recipe you'll come back to again and again. Homemade pepperoni pizza is just a few simple steps away, so fire up your oven, get creative with your toppings, and most importantly, enjoy every delicious bite. You've just mastered the art of pepperoni pizza, and your kitchen will never be the same. Enjoy.